Assalamualaikum. Today we want to talk about solar in manufacturing. We start from introduction presented by Nur Kamisa binti Muhammad.
Solar in manufacturing, a game changer with power independence, green appeal, but the challenge lies in infrastructure integration and adoption. Solar energy is revolutionizing manufacturing procurement. It offers not only cost saving and reduced carbon footprint, but also energy security from price fluctuation and grid disruption. This clean energy flow brings environmental benefit, interest environmentally consequences, investors and reduce dependence on fossil fuel, while powering machine and reducing electricity bill. However, challenges remain in integrating solar into existing procurement strategies and optimizing its use. Overall, solar is a game changer, transforming factories into sustainable and self-sufficient powerhouses. Next overview, the energy outlook with procurement management referred to the integration of solar energy into manufacturing is a game changer. It reduces energy costs, improves brand image and offers reliability while aligning with government incentives. But maximizing its value requires strategy planning from energy assessment to system design and smart procurement. A sunlight factory is not just a dream, it is achievable and profitable. Embrace a shine brighter.
My name is Ainur Huda binti Muhammad Hadri. So today I'm going to talk about 4 important points that show how important it is to use solar power in the industry. Firstly, let's talk about cost saving. Solar power is different from other types of energy because it has lower operating costs. Manufacturers can cut their power bills by using the sun's energy. This has a direct effect on the bottom line. Moving on to our second point, adding solar panels lets manufacturers use less energy from the grid, which cuts costs by a large amount. Companies can improve how much energy they use and how they use their resources more efficiently by taking this easy but effective step. Let's move on to our third point is sustainability. Renewable solar energy is not only a smart choice that saves money, but it's also the right thing to do. Manufacturing with solar power helps cut down on greenhouse gas emission, which is good for the earth. This dedication to sustainability fits in with the worldwide push for manufacturing methods that are better for the environment. Now let's consider energy independence as our fourth key point. Using solar power to make their own electricity can help manufacturers be more resilient. This not only lessens the effect of problems in the supply chain, but also gives people a sense of independence and control over energy resources. In conclusion, using solar power in manufacturing is a smart move that saves money, protects the environment, encourages sustainability, and guarantees energy freedom. Manufacturers can not only improve their bottom line by using solar power, but they can also help make the future more stable and long-lasting.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asfa Zahara binti Matsukifli. Now let we move to comparison with traditional procurement management. First is cost and benefit. Traditional procurement management prioritizes identify way to cut costs and increase profit directly, even at increased both operation expenses and dependency on non-renewable energy source. However, solar procurement in manufacture provide long-term cost benefit by using solar energy to create electricity, minimize operation expenses and reduce dependency on traditional energy source. Second is energy efficiency. Traditional procurement management could depend on energy source that influence the environment and increase the release of carbon dioxide. Meanwhile, solar procurement enables firms to increase their energy efficiency by using renewable energy resource. Then strategy and sustainable procurement. Traditional procurement management may need to prioritize environmental and sustainable consideration. Meanwhile, acquiring solar energy require environmental friendly procurement practice. Prioritizing renewable energy source and minimizing their harmful ecology effect. Lastly, traceability and timing. Traditional procurement management may need to provide more consideration to traceability and timing. Meanwhile, solar procurement involves aspects like timing and traceability to ensure the efficiency of the solar development process.
Now I will explain about the benefits of procurement and solar in manufacturing. The first benefit is cost efficiency. By installing solar panels on the factory building, manufacturers can produce their own electricity, which means they can reduce the reliance on the grid. Moreover, solar panels does not require fuel to operate, and once installed, the cost of generating electricity is essentially zero. Next, solar in manufacturing also can give a benefits toward the environment. By installing solar panel on the factory building, they can reduce the greenhouse gas emission. Besides that, the manufacturer also can decrease their carbon footprint, and it will contribute to a more sustainable future. The third benefit of solar in manufacturing is it can increase their brand reputation. As consumers become aware of the environmental impact of what they are purchasing, they will seeking out the product and services from the environmental friendly company. So in this case, the manufacturers can enhance their brand reputation by adopting the solar power in their manufacturing. Last but not least, the fourth benefit of solar in manufacturing is a government incentive. Many government has offered the incentives such as tax and rebates toward the manufacturer who want to install the solar panel on their factory buildings. By giving this incentive, it can encourage the manufacturer to invest in solar power. Moreover, the incentive that was given by the government can reduce the cost of installation, and also it will make the solar power more affordable toward the manufacturers. However, there are some drawbacks when using solar energy in manufacturing. For the first one is technical expertise required. Installing and maintaining solar panels need to be done by the expertise person, such as electrical engineers and project manager. Installing solar panel must require a knowledge and skill to ensure the installation and maintenance of the solar are functioning well. In this case, it requires the manufacturers to invest in training their staff or hiring external experts. Indirectly, it can increase the cost of their production. The second drawback of using solar in manufacturing is the land use requirement. Installing solar panels needs a lot of space to produce enough electricity in order to make the factory facility. This can be very challenging toward the manufacturers who have a limited land resources, especially those in urban areas. The third drawback of using solar power in the manufacturing is a limited storage capacity. As we know that solar panel is generating the electricity during the day when there is a sunlight. However, the available excess energy is more than needed due to the limited storage capacity for the later use. In this case, the manufacturers may need more storage to store the excess energy, and indirectly they may rely on the external sources. Obviously, can increase the cost of production. Lastly, the drawback of using solar power in the manufacturing is the maintenance requirement. Solar panels need to go through the maintenance once installed. Solar panels also need to be cleaned and inspected periodically to ensure that they are functioning well and there are no damage. We know that the solar panels are using every day, so it can also lead to the dirty and shaded. This can lead in increasing the cost and add to the time commitment in order to maintain the solar panel system.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Auni Adrana. So today I'm going to talk about new energy implementation in procurement. The demand for more sustainable and clean energy sources is driving a continuous evolution in solar energy sector. The way solar producers buy their product in one of their main areas that needed to be improved. Adopting innovative energy solutions in procurement may significantly affect the environment and the economy. Here are a few possible approaches to incorporating new energy solutions into a solar manufacturing procurement. The first one is they are getting production energy from renewable sources. On-site solar power. Clean power for industrial processes may be obtained by installing solar panels on factory rooftop or in specialized solar farm. This may lessen the need of fossil fuels and release of the greenhouse gases. Power Purchase Agreement (PPA) with supplier of renewable energy. By signing PPA, you may guarantee a consistent flow of clean power produced by geothermal, solar, or wind energy. The second one is making use of energy-saving tools and procedure. Purchasing energy-efficient equipment and production process may drastically cut down the amount of energy used in manufacturing. This might involve installing heat recovery system, switching to LED light, and utilizing variable speed drive on motors. It may also relatively success to optimize industrial procedure to reduce the energy waste. This can entail cutting down on idle time, enhancing material handling, and maximizing furnace and other equipment temperature regulation. The last one is encouraging recycled and sustainable material. Reduce environmental impact and sustainable resourcing of material can minimize the embodied energy of solar panel. This can entail the use of bio-based polymer for components, silicon obtained sustainably for wafer, and recycled aluminum for frame. The requirement for virgin material may be further decreased, and landfill trash can be minimized by implementing closed-loop recycling program for manufacturing waste. That's all from me. Thank you.
We continue with challenges faced by organizations in using new energy derived by solar in manufacturing. First of all, intermittency. Although sunlight generates solar energy, intermittency presents a challenge. Unlike on-demand fossil fuels, solar fluctuates with day or night, cycle and seasons. Carefully planning an infrastructure and smooth the flow. But reliable storage, essential for cloudy days and nights, is key to unlocking its full potential. Second, challenges with policy and regulation. In certain policy shifts, hidden fee and inconsistent incentives, coupled with pressure from traditional utilities, create a tangled web that hinders industrial solar adoption. This complex environment stifles investment and project development, making the transition to clean power and uphill battle for manufacturers. Third, safety and roof access issue. Integrating solar on manufacturing roof presents a challenge. Limited access demand creative solutions from moving materials safely while protecting workers from falls and potential collapse in tight space. Fourth, cost and awareness. High upfront costs to install solar adoption in homes. We need creative financing solutions like rent-to-own alongside broader awareness of a government incentive to unlock solar's full potential. Let's make switching to sunshine a breeze, not a burden. Fifth, carbon neutrality objective. Renewable energy is becoming a vital battleground for organizations and nations like Malaysia aiming for carbon neutrality. Lastly, workforce management and training. Embracing solar requires upskilling. Ensure a smooth transition for your workforce by offering targeted training and fostering a supportive environment. This investment empowers employees, optimizes workflows, and paves the way for a successful shift to solar. In short, businesses looking for a bright solar future must navigate its cloudy realities. Variable sunlight, changing policy, risky installation, expensive setup, challenging goals, and training requirements. But fear not! Careful planning, storage solutions, policy lobbying, safety measures, creative financing, employee education, and awareness campaigns can clear the sky and light a sustainable path.
In conclusion, integrating new energy sources like solar power in manufacturing presents a unique opportunity to enhance the effectiveness of procurement while simultaneously promoting profit maximization and sustainability. By implementing solar solutions, manufacturers can reduce their operational expenses and mitigate procurement risks and also reinforce their sustainability procurement strategy.